Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind? Are you looking for ways to make money online and achieve financial freedom? Well, you're in luck. This video will reveal the top 10 websites to help you make money online. Whether you're a freelancer, a creative individual, or someone looking to earn extra cash, these websites have you covered. So get ready to discover these 10 online money-making opportunities. Let's jump right in. Number 10 is freecash.com. Freecash.com was established in 2020. It's a rapidly growing website that provides opportunities to make money online. It offers the highest payouts, instant cash outs, and low minimum withdrawals. With international signups available, people from various countries can benefit from this platform. There are multiple ways to earn money on freecash.com, including filling out surveys, completing tasks, signing up for services, and playing games. Number 9 is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a website that offers a legitimate opportunity to make money online by participating in surveys and earning rewards or cash. Users can access various surveys in exchange for points by signing up for free. One notable aspect of this platform is its flexibility regarding income potential. You can redeem Survey Junkie points for cash through PayPal or bank transfer, and gift cards for Amazon, Target, Walmart, Sephora, Starbucks, Visa, iTunes, etc. Members can cash out beginning at $5 or 500 points. The number of surveys you receive is based on the points you accumulate. To get started, you must provide basic information like your name and email address. Number 8 is Respondent.io. Respondent.io is a website that offers opportunities to make money online by participating in research studies. This platform connects research organizations needing participants with individuals who have applied to participate in research studies. As a participant, you can receive compensation ranging up to $750 per hour per study. The convenience of Respondent.io is evident as most studies can be completed remotely from the comfort of your home, while some may require in-person visits to an office. One notable aspect of Respondent.io is its inclusivity, as there is no upper age limit for joining. To receive your earnings, having a PayPal account is necessary. Number 7 is Shopify. E-commerce is experiencing huge growth as the fastest-growing sector on the internet, presenting boundless opportunities for online entrepreneurs. One of the smartest ways to tap into this booming industry is through dropshipping, a business model that eliminates the need to handle inventory, shipping, and product management. Dropshipping involves acting as an intermediary between a supplier and customers. By sourcing products from a supplier and selling them at a higher price to customers, you can earn the difference as your profit. Shopify is a software-as-a-service e-commerce platform that simplifies this process. For a monthly fee, Shopify provides access to an admin panel where you can input store data, add products, process orders, and choose from an extensive collection of free and paid design templates. To begin making money through dropshipping, the first step is to set up an online store using Shopify. Number 6 is Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs is an online marketplace that connects business owners and freelancers. This platform enables business owners to outsource a wide range of short-term and long-term tasks by posting them as gigs. Unlike traditional freelancing networks like Fiverr, Sprout Gigs specializes in micro-jobs and ongoing projects, providing a platform for employers and freelancers to collaborate. Whether you're an expert or a beginner, Sprout Gigs offers opportunities to complete tasks for digital marketing, web development, SEO, etc. Number 5 is Binance. Did you know there is a more efficient, secure, and effortless way to generate cryptocurrency earnings? Binance P2P allows users to instantly buy and sell cryptocurrencies with other users, while Binance Earn enables both new and experienced crypto users to earn money from their existing crypto assets. With Binance Earn, there are various ways to generate passive income, ranging from flexible savings products to more advanced options like DeFi staking and automated market makers. Also, Binance users can easily transfer their crypto investments and seamlessly trade their crypto assets for their local currency, making the process convenient and accessible. Number 4 is MyPick. MyPick is a great platform that provides a unique opportunity for artists, photographers, hobbyists, and art enthusiasts to monetize their creativity by printing, buying, and selling custom-made art and design products. This remarkable website allows artists to upload their art that can be transformed into high-quality images for use in many forms, such as canvas art, t-shirts, wallpapers, and even pillows. With its diverse options, MyPick is a great way for making money online. By selling images on MyPick, creators can earn up to a 20% commission, making it a lucrative platform to showcase their talent while generating income. Also, MyPick allows users to withdraw their commission from the app or website anytime they make a sale. Number 3 is TesterUp.com. TesterUp.com is another great platform that allows users to make money by testing online. Users can test out a wide selection of games, surveys, apps, products, etc. You can make money online on your own time using a phone, computer, or tablet. Users can also withdraw their earnings at any time via a PayPal account. Number 2 is Upwork. Upwork is an online platform that empowers individuals to earn money conveniently from the comfort of their homes. Whether you specialize in website development, creative writing, sales, marketing, accounting, or any other skill set, Upwork offers the ideal space and extensive network to enhance your technical expertise like a seasoned professional. With its reputation for consistency, Upwork stands out as a top-tier website for making money online. Upwork calculates its commission based on a percentage of your earnings from clients, with a 10% commission rate. Upwork has gained immense popularity among users seeking reliable opportunities as a premium talent hub, setting it apart from other conventional money-making websites. Number 1 is ClickBank. ClickBank allows businesses with great products to connect with top affiliates who can promote those products. So, product owners can sell more with less work, while the ClickBank marketplace helps marketers and aspiring entrepreneurs looking for new ways to earn an income online. Affiliates can choose to get paid a percentage of each sale or a set dollar amount. ClickBank has been in business since 1999 and has paid over $6 billion in commissions. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey through online money-making opportunities. We've explored 10 incredible websites to help you unleash your earning potential from the comfort of your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. Now it's time for you to make some money.